Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing this cleaning product by Shine Armor ceramic coating, and we'll see how it does. But first we're going to be cleaning my car, spraying this on, and then seeing how it is before and after. And I'll give you guys some real results, and I'm not sponsored by them, so this will be my honest opinion on this product, and let's get to it guys. Okay, so right here we're going to unbox the cleaning product. So it comes with the sprayer right here, 2 purple microfibers, and the actual cleaning product. The first thing that I'm noticing is that the bottle looks different from the actual thing that's advertised right here. And it does say that it's 8 ounces, and right here it also says that it's 8 ounces. So, alright, let's just begin cleaning the car, and we'll spray this on and see how it is. Okay, so before I use this product, it claims that you can use it without cleaning a car, but I decided to clean the car because I've been neglecting it. So we're gonna test it on the paint, on some chrome bits, and the wheels, and we'll see how it holds up. Okay, so the way we're gonna be doing this is spraying it to the surface, wiping it, and then using the second towel to dry it off. Okay, so right now I'm gonna tape it off a little bit. Tape off a little square. I want to apologize that it's nighttime. I've tried to get enough light to see some good results, but it got late. But I'll tape off this section right here, see how it turns out. You also want to make sure you rip off the tag. We're gonna spray some on the microfiber and on the surface. I will say that it does feel smoother than the paint, but it looks almost the same. You can't really see a difference between the 2 paints, but it does feel a lot smoother. This is the regular hood with no coat. And then this is it with the coat. Doesn't slide like it says in the commercial, but we'll spray part of the hood, half of it, and see how it is. Yeah, I really see no difference. Well, I didn't wipe it well right here, but let's see. Actually, you can kind of tell a little bit, just a little bit. All right, let's spray a little bit more of the car and see how it turns out. I'll split the hood in half and see how it turns out. Now I will say that my paint is really messed up. I have like almost no clear coat at all, and you can see there's a bunch of chips everywhere. So I mean, it's not the best example, but we'll still check out the product and see how it works on my bad paint. So like I said, we're gonna spray the hood and then spray some on the microfiber, and we're gonna wipe it, and then we're gonna dry it off with the other microfiber I have. It does smell nice. It smells like grape. Now the packaging says no buffing, so it's just sleeping motions. That's how you do it. Here are the instructions. Alright, check it out. You can almost see no difference. Okay, so they do this test where they put the thing right here and they let it slide. It kind of works when I put it on my clear coat, but the areas that don't have clear coat, nothing. See, nothing. And there's clear coat right here. So I'm guessing it works better on clear coat, but in some parts of my hood I don't have clear coat because of sun damage. But on this side, I do not have any of that product. And right here is the clear coat and it slides, and so is it right here. Just a little bit. But it's probably because it's slanted. So come check it out over here. Right here. Okay, right here there's clear coat and right here there isn't. And when you put it right here, it doesn't really slide, so I'm guessing it works as a bit of a wax, but it says it has a ceramic coating. It says it has ultimate ceramic coating formula. So I'm guessing that's why it's kind of slippery. Okay, right now we're gonna do the wheels. I'm gonna take them off right here. Let me do this little section. And now the product claims that it's good for cleaning wheels. We'll try that. We'll see how it goes. We'll spray some on here. And some on the rag. Microfiber, I mean. I really don't see a difference. It might provide a coat of protection from the elements, but that's about it. I'd rather just buy some wax and polish or something. And you can't really see a difference, look. Yeah. So if you clean your car and you apply this stuff, it doesn't really make a difference. It does feel a little bit different to the touch. And right now we'll do a water test. We'll pour some water on the hood and see if it beads off. But right now, we'll spray the whole hood and see how it is. Okay, so right now we're gonna spray the hood and see if it beads off on this side since I applied that product, and then we'll spray this side without the product. You can see that this side it kind of beats up a little bit, and on this side it just pulls up. So I guess it does work sort of like a wax. Okay, I'm gonna dry it off real quick. Yeah, and it dries pretty good. I wouldn't say this product is amazing, but it's alright. Okay guys, so here's my honest opinion on this product. I think it's alright. If anything, it's like a 6.5 out of 10. This stuff leaves an okay finish. It feels nice to the touch and it smells pretty good. I wouldn't recommend it if you don't have clear coat like my car, how it's all messed up and the paint, or that the paint's really messed up and it has no clear coat. So I wouldn't recommend it if your car's like that. But if your car has clear coat, I'd say it's an okay product, but it is pretty pricey. Luckily I got this stuff on discount and I think it was about 13 bucks for me, but I've heard that it goes for about 20 bucks, and I really wouldn't recommend this stuff, and I suggest getting another better product for detailing or cleaning. I recommend better known brands like McGuire's from Walmart or Chemical Guys or something like that. This stuff, it's not really well known, so I mean it does its job, but it's whatever, honestly. Alright guys, before I end the video, leave a comment down below of what you thought of the review, and let me know if you guys want some more reviews in the future. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.